So guys, let's start. Today we are going to unbox Redmi Note 8 Pro. Yeah, I buy a new Redmi through Amazon, and today we are discussing about Redmi Note 8 Pro. Yeah, here our phone. I buy shadow black model and it's 60,000, a 6 GB 128 variant. So let's check. Oh, this. Yeah. Oh, yes. And, and yeah, it's have a protection cover, and you can see the protection cover. I think the protection cover is not as much I expected quality because it's just a normal case. So, and it have a sim ejector tool. You can see that. Yeah, here our shadow black model phone Redmi 8 Pro, and in the box you can see the charger, fast charging battery. It is 80 watt, and the Redmi Note 8 Pro have non-removable 400 and 500 sorry 4500 mAh battery. Yeah, let's move on to the phone. The phone is coming with both backside and front side is coming with Gorilla Glass 5, so it have a very good premium look, and also it have around 200-gram weight. It's comparable a little more weight as compared to Realme device, but the both back and front is Gorilla Glass 5. That is a big advantage, and it have two SIM tray. In one SIM tray they have one SIM and one memory card, and the another SIM tray they have one, and totally two SIM card we can insert it, and also a memory card. And you can say two type C port, 18-watt charger, and also a head headphone jack 3.5 mm, and that's a very good thing. And also they have 64 MP primary camera, and they have a fingerprint sensor on the rear side, and you can see a 20 MP front camera. 20 MP front camera is very good, and also the camera system of Realme 8 Pro is quad camera system. It has 64 MP primary camera, 8 MP, and another 2 MP, and another 2 MP depth sensor, and it have an 8 MP ultra wide. So this it is totally have 4 camera system. It is quad camera system. And also we can discuss about the chipset. It is MediaTek Helio G90T, and today we also post a video about the performance and the speed test of Realme Note 8 Pro, so you can subscribe this channel to watch that. And we are choosing the language and region, and it is coming with OS Android 9 MIUI operating system and MIUI 10. and it has CPU is octa-core, and GPU is not Adreno, it is Mali G76 MC4, and overall it is a very powerful gaming phone. It is not coming with Snapdragon, it is coming with octa-core. That is definitely good. The Gorilla Glass 5 is nice. It is better protection than any other. Yeah, here I setting the lock system and fingerprint system, and I believe that you enjoy this unboxing video, and we definitely post the next video about the performance, battery test, comparison, camera test, camera stability test, and like other. So you want to stay update and watch this and go for it. It is 6 GB and 128. They have another model 8 GB and 128. It is about the details of the phone. This is the unboxing video. So please share this video, like this video, and comment this video about any missing information or anything like that. So let's enjoy.